So friends, in this video I am unboxing a phone, Realme C20 phone. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, click on the like button and share this video. So without getting late, let's enter into the video. Open the pack. So this is the phone inside this pack. So let's keep it aside. So this is the phone C20 Android. It has, you can see they give specifications also. 5000 mAh massive battery, 2 plus 32 GB, 4 plus 64 GB large storage, 8 MP AI camera, 16.5 centimeters large display, Helio G35 powerful processor, 3 card slot, and it is the Android phone. So let's open this phone inside this box. So this is the manual book, and this is the pin to insert the SIM and SD cards, and finally this is the phone. So this is the phone. And this is, in this pack we have charger and the cable, and it is the 5 volts charger. Five volts 2 amps charger, charging cable, so it is B type, charging cable is B type. So let's keep this aside and review. Let's do the phone. So this is the phone after all settings. So let's see the camera quality. So further, let's open the camera first and see. So it has video, 2x and 4x zoom, and it has night option. More we have expert, time lapse, and panorama. And so friends, now let us check the sound quality of this phone. So the speakers of this phone is located at the back here. Right here. The speakers of the phone located at the back. So let us check. So friends, this is the sound quality of this phone, and it is giving good sound. The sound quality is good. So I have taken some photos in this phone, photos and videos, and I will show you now. And it is the photo. And the photos are also very clarity with background blur. See, photos are also very clarity with background blur. Only the camera focus on the particular object is only clear and background is very blur like a DSLR camera, and very good quality of camera. And I will also show you a video. So this is the video. See, in video also you can see the background blur and the. So let us know about its specifications. It has 16.5 centimeters large HD plus display, ensures that you get an expensive view of movies, games and even work-related documents for a more immersive experience. Thanks to Helio G35 processor, powerful processor, you can enjoy a high clock speed that will make it almost effortless for you to multitask and game. And with the AI selfie camera, you can take stunning selfies by using this AI selfie camera. It is having 2 GB RAM with 32 GB ROM. The weight of this phone is 190 grams and it has dual SIM, resolution 720 into 1600 pixels. So friends, I hope you like this video. So for next video, stay tuned.